Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatima Zahra from E1. I will answer 6 questions here. Question number 1 is, until the day in our country, English taught at school as a foreign language. Can you explain why? Why isn't taught as a second language? Answer, English is referred to as a foreign language because English is not used for everyday speaking in Indonesia. English is not taught as a second language because to determine an official language requires several factors such as historical background, culture, socio-political conditions. Indonesia is not one of the countries that has been directly controlled by the British. Therefore, English is not used as a second language. Question number 2 is, please observe the case carefully. You are assigned to teach students the skill of shopping at a grocery store. You want to apply an audiolingual method. What will you prepare and do? What steps of teaching will you take? Please elaborate your answer. Answer, I will use the audiolingual method by applying the repetition drill. First, I will explain to students what a repetition drill is. Then I will make a summary and read to the students how to shop at the grocery store. After that, I will ask students to repeat what I said, and after everyone understands, I will ask them to practice the activity. Question number 3 is, Brown and Lee 2015 mentioned 8 principles of language learning and teaching. One of them is the principle of automaticity. What is it? How will you implement the principle in your teaching? Answer. The next slide, please. Answer. Principles number 1 is automaticity. Number 2 is transfer. Number 3 is rewards. Number 4 is self-regulation. Number 5 is identify and invest. Number 6 is interaction. Number 7 is language culture. And number 8 is agency. I will explain about automaticity. Automaticity is a principle that usually occurs because you are used to listening and observing the language procedure of the people around you. Often listen, observe, and practice the way other people speak, even if it is only a word or two, because it will affect the way we practice our grammar to be better than before. Especially when there is a conversation between a teacher and a student. When there is a teacher speaking, the student in the class should listen carefully because there must be vocabulary used by the teacher that is not newly understood and will add new vocabulary or language procedure for student. Question number 4 is, please do Question number 4 is, please do small research on literature about the role of age in language learning and language acquisition and present it here. On your presentation, mention the paper that you refer to, at least 2 research papers. Answer, in the first study, according to Soleha R. 2015, children aged around 5 years were easier to acquire a new language than adults because children already have good language skill with words that are easily understood by others. In the second study, according to Vygotsky 2006, there are 2 language acquisition, namely the first language and the second language. For the first language occur if the child has never learned any language and then acquires language. Children can get the first language from the interaction that are them. For a second language, it occurs when someone has mastered the first language and then developed it into a second language or foreign language. The next slide, please. Question number 5. In the survey about teachers' characteristic in which you were the respondent, 3 statements with the highest scores, which means the 3 most preferred characteristic of teachers are: number 1, teacher must love the jobs. Number 2, good teachers are entertainers. Number 3, teachers should have a lot of knowledge not only in their subject. Personality speaking, how do you respond to the findings? How much do you agree or disagree with them? Answer: I totally agree with these findings because these 3 findings are very influential in the teaching and learning process, so that it becomes better and does not make students feel bored with monotonous teaching methods. If a teaching does not like this job, it will affect the way they teach, who seem less sincere, even though the student's interest in a subject depends on how the teacher explains or teacher in class, how the teacher deals with and condition his students so that the class remain conducive. In addition, teacher must have broad insight in order to facilitate the learning process in the classroom. Question number 6. Question number 6. When formulating learning objectives, many teachers use Bloom taxonomy. Please elaborate the cognitive domain of the taxonomy, including the action verbs used to signify students' ability. Answer: cognitive domains, which contains behavior, they emphasize intellectual aspect such as knowledge, understanding, and thinking skills. The cognitive domain is related to the ability to think, including the ability to memorize, understand, apply, analyze, synthesize, and evaluate the ability. In the cognitive domain, there are 6 aspects or levels of thinking processes, starting from the lowest level to the highest level. I think it's enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.